Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes, and this is Dougal. Say hi. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today I have my first ever Dollar Tree haul video. It's a little out of my norm, a little out of my comfort zone, so we'll see how it goes. I just found some cool things at a couple of the Dollar Trees around me that I thought you guys might be interested in. So I appreciate you coming by today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us grow out. It's completely free. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come on, join my YouTube family. You know you want to. Just smash that subscribe button down below. When I get to 500 subscribers, which I'm oh so close to, I'm going to do a mega makeup haul and goodie giveaway. So look out for a shorts video for that coming this week of a sneak peek of what's in the giveaway for my 500 subscribers. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first things that I found at my Dollar Tree, or the Dollar Trees near me, was this journal called Present Not Perfect for Difficult Times, a journal for hope, healing, and comfort. And it has different things on the inside. I got this for a friend of mine who's had a little bit of a hard time, so I thought it would work. It would be good for her, and I hope she enjoys it. This I thought was super cool. It says, Our Story, a Family Keepsake Journal. And it has on here, what made you laugh the hardest? Who were you with? And then it has, let's see what it says. Who was your first love? And it says, Our Story is a place to preserve your memories, family lore, personal trivia, inside jokes, and handwriting for future generations to enjoy and cherish. Fill these pages with notes that celebrate and commemorate your family. Entries can be made as a group or individually, separate or together, once a week or once a year. We hope this journal will bring you joy for years to come. And it retailed for, it says here, $17.99. I don't know if you could see it. So I thought that was super cool. And then I show these in my walkthrough, but if you didn't see it, you guys might want to go check it out because there are 4 versions of these. I just bought one. But this one says, Make Today Beautiful. And check it out, guys. It's a pillow cover. Have y'all ever seen anything this cool from the Dollar Tree before? And it's double-sided, so you can see here, the back is just a solid color. So as I mentioned, there were 4 of these. This is the only one I purchased, so if you want to see what the other 3 were, hit up my Dollar Tree walkthrough video down below. And also in that were these Isaac Mizrahi slippers. They only had size medium, so there wasn't any other sizes, and I don't think my big footsies would fit in these. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit closer up. They're like super soft. You can see like they have like the little grippers on the bottom. So these would make really good Christmas gifts. I know it's only September, but it'll be here before you know it. I shop during the year, so that way I'm not broke at Christmas time. And then I found these new napkins today. I thought they were absolutely gorgeous. And I like to use these long ones, not just for like napkins for like meals, but I have a little metal basket that fits long napkins that I put in my guest bathroom. So I just get a couple of these and stack them in there, and they make really fancy little guest napkins or towels for people to dry their hands on. If they don't want to use a hand towel, they can use these. And then I also found, I haven't seen these before at the Dollar Tree, these leaves. These ones I totally bought to craft with because I like the decoupage. So I'm sure you'll see these in an upcoming project. And let's see, so if we move from there, we'll move on to, I found some stuff in the beauty aisle. I usually don't find too much, but I did find a couple things. So the first thing I found was this Titania Made in Germany Essentials double-sided foot file. and it does have the double-sided, and it's really rough. So I bought a couple of these for gifts. I found a couple of new Wet n Wild makeup products. This one is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Matte Lipstick. Well, actually, this is High Shine Lipstick, but the bottle says matte lipstick, so that's probably why it's at the Dollar Tree. Packaging is wrong. It doesn't give me a color, but it is a really pretty color there. Kind of like I don't know, like a, not as dark as a plum, but not really red. I don't know, what color would you call that, guys? Kind of like a mauve-y color. And then I found this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. And then I found this Wet n Wild Full Healthy Lashes Enhance and Define Clean Definition Very Black Mega Wear Mascara. And let's see, so moving on from beauty, I found some awesome new stuff in the craft department. First up are these. Sorry about that. Dougal heard a noise, so he has to do what all little terriers do and bark like bananas. But as I was saying, I found these at my Dollar Tree, these little wooden houses. One has like just a scrolly pattern, and then one has a heart. And they are, you can kind of tell they are kind of thick. So they do stand up on their own. So I thought those are super cute. I found, oh my gosh, I was so excited about this. I found some burlap crafting fabric. You can see that. But look, it's like a whole roll of the burlap, and it's not wired. So it's more pliable, so it'll be super easy to craft with. So I got a couple of these. And speaking of burlap, I found this super cute tote bag. It's a horizontal tote bag. They had some that were like vertically tall, but I like this one. And it's got kind of like a plasticky feel on the inside. I just think this is just so flippin' cute, like to take to market. You could personalize these with some iron-ons or sew something on there, or even like puff paint. Get puff paint on there. That would be super cute. So I got that. I also think they make super cute gift bags. And speaking of bags, I also found this canvas bag. But it's like it's like a crossbody. Shh. It's like a crossbody bag, see? It opens up, and then look, it has a super long string, so you can wear it if you're going someplace where you only can have like a little small bag. And it's plain on the back. Again, you could personalize the front. And then I also found, this is the only color that I could find. I was so bummed, but that's okay. Blue is my favorite color. I found some of these glossy craft wood beads in the blues. So I picked up a couple of those. And they had quite the assortment of these new glass beads in these little glass jars. They're so cute. So they had some, like a set of purple. They had blues from Crafter Square. They had greens. They had like pinks and peaches and red. And they had like black, brown, and white. So I think these are so cute just to even like, I was thinking at Christmas time, honestly, guys, like with these little green ones, like just maybe putting some little red ribbon on them or something and just displaying them on my tiered tray as they are. I thought they would be super cute. And then the last items that I have to share with you guys, I know, you're not going to want to see this. You're probably going to have some comments for me down below. I understand. But I had to buy these when I saw them because sadly, they were literally the only one of each that I found. And I've been looking for these since last year to do a craft with. So you'll see it in an upcoming craft video in a couple months. But, yep, little Christmas trees. So the first one is this one here. And you can see it's kind of like cut in. So I got this little one here. And it has like the frosting on it, so it looks like snow. And then I found this one here that is more straight, and it has like this beading on it. But honestly, guys, the beading is coming off. I'm going to be honest. I don't like the beading. I mean, it's cute, I guess. I don't like it. It's not going to go with the craft project that I'm going to do. So I will take it apart. So if you guys want to do some crafting with me in a few months for Christmas time or the holidays, grab a couple of these because I will be using these. That is everything. Oh, I almost forgot. I did have one more craft item. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys these brass wreath rings. Like, you get 3, guys. Like, hello. Like, how cool is that? 1, 2, 3. And I'm like, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Says every crafter everywhere. But I'm going to do something. So I got these. I thought these were cool. So I'm going to figure out something to do with these because they are really neat. So that, my friends, is the end of my Dollar Tree haul. I do have some pictures from my last visit to the Dollar Tree this morning. It was a super quick visit. I had to get back in town for an appointment. So I did take a couple of quick pictures that I will post at the end of this video. I appreciate you guys spending some time with me today. As always, let me know down below what your favorite item was that I found. I would love to hear it. Also, let me know, is there something on your wish list that you're super hoping that you find, that you're looking for, that you're on the hunt for? Because I would love to know. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a great rest of your week. And Dougal, come here. Come here. And from Dougal and I, we say goodbye. Bye-bye. Give me the smooches. Oh, yes. I love the smooches. Anyway, until next time, guys. Goodbye.